stories are written on Earth and some among the stars. This is the story of Kalpana Chawla. A girl from a small town in India who dared to dream of space and who showed the world that no dream is too high to reach. Kalpana Chawla's story is one of courage, dreams and inspiration. She was born on March 17, 1962 in a small town called Karnal in Haryana in India. She was the youngest of 4 children in her family. From the time she was a little girl, Kalpana loved looking at the night sky. While most children dreamed of toys, she dreamed of flying among the stars. She would draw airplanes, ask questions about the sky and tell people that one day she would go there. Her father wanted her to choose a safe career like medicine or teaching, but Kalpana never gave up on her dream. She studied at Tagore Bal Niketan School in Karnal, where she was quiet but very curious. Science and mathematics were her favorite subject. Later, she joined Punjab Engineering College in Chandigarh, where she became the first woman in the college to study aeronautical engineering. In 1982, she completed her bachelor's degree. At a time when very few girls were encouraged to become engineers, Kalpana proved that determination can break barriers. That same year, she moved to the United States to continue her studies at the University of Texas in Arlington. She completed her master's in aerospace engineering in 1984. She then went on to do her PhD in aerospace engineering at the University of Colorado Boulder, which she finished in 1988. During these years, Kalpana also married Jean Pierre Harrison, a flying instructor. She not only studied planes in classrooms but also learned to fly them herself. She earned licenses to fly aeroplanes, gliders and even seaplanes. She also became a certified flight instructor. Her dream was not just about books and degrees. It was about living the experience of flying. In 1988, Kalpana joined her NASA's Ames Research Center, where she worked on advanced designs for aircraft. By 1991, she became a citizen of the United States. 3 years later, in 1994, she was chosen as an astronaut candidate by NASA. Imagine the journey. From a small town girl in India to wearing the NASA astronaut suit. It was a moment of pride not just for Kalpana, but also for India. Her first space mission came in November 1997. She flew aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia on mission STS-87. This made her the first woman on Indian origin to go for space. For more than 15 days, she lived among the stars, working as a mission specialist. She operated the robotic arm and conducted scientific experiments. The shuttle orbited Earth 252 times and travelled over 10.4 million miles. Kalpana often said that looking at Earth from space was breathtaking. It looked like a blue, borderless planet. Her success gave hope to millions of young girls in India and showed them that they too could aim for the sky. In 2001, she was selected for her second space flight. After some delays, the mission finally launched on January 16, 2003. This was Columbia's STS-107 mission. It was a dedicated science mission with more than 80 experiments. Kalpana and her crew worked every day and night in shifts to complete their research. She was deeply fascinated by how life on Earth could be studied from space and how space experiments could help humanity. She spoke with great excitement about the beauty of Earth seen from space, calling it magical and peaceful. But on February 1st, 2003, a tragedy struck. After 16 days in space, when Columbia was returning to Earth, the shuttle broke apart during re-entry because of the damage caused during its launch. In just minutes, the world lost all 7 astronauts astronauts on board. Kalpana was only 40 years old. The news shocked the entire world, and India mourned the loss of its brave daughter. Even though her life ended too soon, Kalpana's legacy continues to inspire. She was posthumously awarded the Congressional Space Medal of Honor, the NASA Space Flight Medal, and the NASA Distinguished Service Medal. In India, many institutes have been named after her, like hostels, scholarships, and even a medical college in her hometown, Karnal. A lunar crater has been named Chawla, and an asteroid is officially called 51826 Kalpana Chawla. In 2020, a NASA cargo spacecraft that supplied the International Space Station was also named SS Kalpana Chawla. Her story continues to live in classrooms, in science textbooks, and in the dreams of young children who look up at the stars. Kalpana Chawla proved that no dream is impossible if you have the courage to chase it. She once said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get on it, and the perseverance to follow it." Kalpana Chawla's journey is not just the story of reaching space. It is the story of breaking barriers, believing in yourself, and never letting go of your dreams. From a small town in India to the vast universe above, she showed us that our future is limited only by the size of our dreams. And today, when we look up to the night sky, we will remember the girl who once pointed to the stars and said, "One day I will go there," and she did. I hope you liked the video. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned to my channel. Until my next video, stay curious and keep reading. Signing off, Page Pulse by See you next time.